try!
Yeah, it was a little bit strange yesterday, putting it on for the first time and just getting to know all my new teammates and ripped in straight away. We had a pretty tough day yesterday, so trying to keep the head down and get physically ready to play again. Yeah, I think the club's done a great job to put a really good squad together. Some older players, obviously, but a lot of good young players that can have long careers here. So I think the team spent most of the off-season just working really hard and trying to get those, that work ethic in place. I think I said a few weeks ago that's what sort of sets you up for the year, and every team's doing that. But I can see some really good things here. Oh, look, I don't want to talk too much about that stuff. I know Stolzy has been very big on just working hard and not talking too much about outcomes and winning things. It's just about working hard for this team. There's a lot of young players and we need to work hard so that we get to that first week of the competition ready to really be competitive. And it's about playing our style in front of our fans and making them proud of what we want to do. Yeah, I think a lot of the players here were knocked around a fair bit last year. I think probably self-confidence was knocked around a fair bit. It was a really tough year off the field as well. So, someone like James Slipper, I think he did a great job to keep everyone together and positive and in a very tough environment. So there's been a lot of change over the last 6 months here and Stolesy's driven a lot of that. And it's up to us now to come in and work hard, as I said, and help him along the way with that because the comp hasn't even started yet. So as we know, it's a very tough competition. You have to play well right throughout. I hope so, mate. That's the plan anyway, and I think I'll work towards that. And I think at my age, you take every year as it comes, but I feel pretty good physically. I had a good break and I feel good mentally. And it's nice to come into a new environment as well after 8 years in Canberra. As much as I loved it down there, it is nice at this stage of my career to have a new challenge and some new teammates to work with, and I'm enjoying that.
Leader, I guess.
Yeah, I think I've already said a big part of my role here is to help James and the other leaders as well, the young players that have that leadership ability to be the best they can be. And it takes a team. The team with the most leaders often does the best. And I think if we can really establish a really strong culture around leadership and not rely too much on one or two people, then we'll be going in the right direction. So, as I said, I think James did a great job in a tough environment last year, and he's only going to have learnt and improved from that. Oh, look, I've only been here a day, so Stolzy will have his ideas around how that might look, because I think that's something in general in Australian rugby we need to probably do a bit better is not just work with the current leaders, but who might be the leader in 5 years and really plan that out and work hard with the players who we think have that potential. So I know that's something that's already been identified, so we look forward to seeing that being rolled out. Yeah, I think it's just little bits and pieces. I think there's no secrets to it really. It's about just working as hard as you can for each other, developing a really strong bond with each other off the field, and that's really, really important, so that when you're under pressure out in the game, that you want to work that extra bit harder for your teammate. And it's no big secret. It's just working hard, probably being hard on each other as well, not relying on the coaches to do too much of that, and having really high standards about everything we do.